everybody, Trackmaster Production 2016 back again, and today on Modification Station we're going to be taking a look at this thing here. Now you're probably wondering, what in the world is this? What crazy idea did you do to make this? Well, I've always been thinking about a actual moving Harold the helicopter on my layout. I do have a plan next year or further years down the road is to create a track system around the layout, around the edge of the layout, for Harold to fly around in the scenes. So you'll see him fly around the layout. So I'll have moving trains, road, and airplanes and helicopters. So rail, road, and air will all be moving around the layout. So how I achieved this little mod here was this here. There's a little hole I drilled in, little notch I drilled in to the side of the truck, made a wire go up, hook it to completely around the rotary propeller. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know helicopters. And it literally sits on the truck. So it hangs on the truck like one of those Thanksgiving Day parade balloons. Kind of what it reminds me of. So now I have a Harold the helicopter that does not need strings or wires, that can just go along with the trains. So if I ever do a remake of Percy Proves a Point, I'll be using that there. So yeah, it looks nice for what it is. I can also change the top of the truck if I didn't want that Farquhar Quarry company truck and I wanted a truck like this. I can always interchange them because it does not affect it does not affect the truck body shell. It affects the truck chassis. So if I wanted to change this, I may change it soon because the Farquhar Quarry deal. So yeah, I may change it. So yeah, that's about it. And we're gonna give this guy a tiny run because he is tall, and I have to figure out how in the world I'm gonna run him on the layout because he will hit stuff. I can't run him through the bridge, and I don't think I can run him through Knapford Station. I'll have to see. So yeah, it's going to be a very difficult run today. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Modification Station. Tell me down in the comment section what you guys think of this modification right here. Also, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn the post notification bell on to be notified of all new videos. Thanks for watching.
The train arriving at platform 1 is the 15 service from Knapford to Vicarstown.
Hello, I'm Gordon. If you want to watch more videos, click on these links here. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Express coming through!